This is how NBA stars spend their wealth. Karl Anthony Towns. Karl Anthony Towns, the Minnesota Timberwolves player, spent $20,000 on a custom gaming PC. He collaborated with tech YouTubers to come up with a setup that blends bleeding-edge tech with artful design. That's just how much he loves gaming, a passion he started developing as a child. Ja Morant. Ja Morant has spent millions on lavish items such as a Rolls-Royce Dawn and a $400,000 Ferrari Roma, as well as a lavish mansion that he generously gifted to his parents. Buy them a house, show off wealth and desire to please loved ones. LeBron James. LeBron James has spent quite a few $1 million, both on investments and plush lifestyle. Of course, he buys rookie cards, too. He has bought 2 rookie-signed cards that cost $10.4 million. LeBron does a lot of real estate investments, very much business, and an excellent deal in charity. He spends money but manages them very well. Personal indulgence, and smart financial decisions void. Ben Simmons. Ben Simmons was fined more than $19 million by the Philadelphia 76ers during his holdout in 2021 to 2022, making it the highest amount of fines in NBA history. He lost $360,000 for every game he missed and gave up his $8.25 million paycheck that was due on October 1, 2021. In August 2022, Simmons settled a complaint with the 76ers over the unpaid salary, but the terms of the settlement were not disclosed to the public. Luka Doncic. Luka Doncic is the Slovenian basketball sensation who had an estimated net worth of approximately $25 million in 2024. He's also obsessed with luxurious cars, among them is the purple Lamborghini Urus, red Ferrari 812 Superfast, blue 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, and the Apocalypse Hellfire 6x6 with 800 horsepower. In 2019, he bought a Dallas, Texas house worth $2.7 million. Doncic is also known for helping others. He started his own foundation to support the development of basketball for children. Jason Tatum. Boston Celtics star Jason Tatum has no qualms about splurging on things like a $350,000 Rolls-Royce and a $500,000 watch. He even purchased a $4 million mansion with a basketball court. But his mom takes care of his money, allowing him to spend only the amount coming from endorsements, not even touching his NBA salary. Jordan Clarkson. His net worth is around $52 million. Jordan Clarkson has invested a lot of money in his appearance, including the $350,000 Rolls-Royce, a $500,000 watch, and a mansion worth $4 million with an indoor basketball court. He even invested in tattoos by paying $20,000 to cover his body due to playing with J.R. Smith on the Cleveland Cavaliers. Tony Parker. Former NBA star Tony Parker recently bought the historic Chateau Saint Laurent, located near Avignon, France, for more than $10 million. The 14th-century property spans 2,000 square meters and features 22 rooms, a panoramic terrace, and a 10-kilometer underground tunnel that leads to the Palais des Papes. The estate also includes 40 hectares of vineyards, where Parker will produce wines under his own label. The first vintage was launched in November 2023. The chateau is also available for private events and weddings. Trae Young. Trae Young has spent millions on luxurious jewelry, including chains, diamond pendants, and other high-end pieces. His jewelry collection began with a special chain gifted by rapper Quavo during his rookie year. Over time, Young has continued to expand his collection, investing in extravagant pieces to complement his status both on and off the court.